This recipe goes back to the Great Depression. It's probably older than that. My mom used to make this a lot during Lent. It's called Creamed Tuna on Toast. The ingredients are 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 can of tuna fish, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 cups of whole milk, 4 slices of white bread. I'm adding peas to my meal, but I'm not putting it in for Grandpa because Grandpa hates peas. So if you like peas, you could add this to the recipe. The first thing we have to do is put the heat on medium, and we're going to add the butter. Actually over low heat. I'll add it over low heat. We don't want the butter to burn. And we have to slowly melt the butter. Now that the butter is melted, we're going to add the flour. And then we're also going to add the pepper. And if you cook with salt, you could add a teaspoon of salt, but Grandpa and I don't eat salt, so I eliminate it from the recipe. Now the next step, we have to take it off the heat and gradually add the milk. I'm going to use my whisk to stir it and return it to the heat. Now I'm slowly adding the rest of the milk. And now I'll have to stir it for a while till this thickens and almost starts to come to a simmer. Grandpa is stirring the white sauce now because I want to show you something. This is my Charlie the Tuna lamp. It's from the 70s. It was $6.95 and 3 tuna fish labels. Isn't he adorable? When you're making this white sauce, make sure you use your whisk so it comes out nice and smooth. You don't want this to be lumpy at all. You want to make it nice and smooth. This sauce was only made with whole milk because nobody years ago during the Depression had low-fat, non-fat, fat-free milk. So they always used whatever they made, it was always with whole milk. If you feel you need a thicker sauce, you could always add another teaspoon of flour if you feel it's not thick enough. Now you can see that it's really starting to thicken now. It's almost completed. The sauce is almost done. The sauce is finally thickened and all done. So you can see how nice and thick it is. So now at this point, we take it off the heat. We're going to stir in the tuna fish. Now if Grandpa liked peas, this is at this step I would add the peas. But since Grandpa does not like peas, then I'm just going to add it to mine later. I'll add the peas on my plate. After the sauce is done, now we're toasting the bread. Toast is all ready. So now we're going to put it on a plate and we just cut the toast down the middle. And then we're going to add the sauce. Now we put the tuna over the white sauce and the tuna over the toast. And this is our dinner. Now, since I like peas, I'm adding my peas to mine because I love it with the peas. So this is a very simple meal and very delicious.
How's it taste, Grandma, with your peas in there?
Oh, I love the peas. And how's it taste, Grandpa?
Tastes good, Ma.
This is so delicious. I just love this. Would you want to try some of my peas?
No way.
No?
You know I do not like peas.
Well, I know. That's why I gave you plain. Made yours plain.
You know what this reminds me of, Ma? Is when I was in the service and we used to have this on what we call SOS with chipped beef. For those servicemen out there, you all know what SOS stands for.